Welcome viewers. My name is Hassan Askari and I am an outsider artist, and today I am going to show you how I am going to apply the final layer on these women. These are women passengers sitting on a tanga, and this painting is called Tonga Stand in district Gujarat. There are three tongas in the painting. There is a bicycle and motorcycle, and there is a man with a cell phone, and there is a banner and shop and some cold drink bottles displayed outside the shop, and there are some 9 trees, big and small, and you can see the brick wall. There are two doors, the blue color doors you can see, and there is a wall on which the remains of the cow dung could be seen, and this is a cultural painting, Pakistani cultural painting, and I am going to show you how I am going to apply final layer on this oil painting. I am using synthetic oil paints. For diluting the paints, I am using linseed oil, and as I told you, I am an outsider artist. For those who don't know about this term, this is a term used for an artist who is self-taught and who have no formal training of drawing, painting, and who is not aware of the terms and technique of the art. So for me, I am just trying to figure out things by myself, and you can see my technique, and I wanted to share my technique with the people and show my work in order to get some recognition, and I wanted also to preserve my culture through paintings. This is what I could do, and this painting is based on the picture I took myself some 13 years ago, and I was returning from Gujarat after meeting my father and elder brother. I was sitting on a van and I took this picture with DSLR camera D40, and I took many pictures and selected few for painting, and this is one of those. This painting is about my culture, and it shows the society passing through a phase of socio-cultural transition. The motorcycle replaced all these tangas and the cycle, and in during my younger times, these tangas were used to transport passengers at small distances. Now these tangas are gone and there are modified motorcycles which are used to transport passengers and luggage at small distances. And there is a man holding a cell phone, and that shows the technological influences on my society. Due to this cell phone, people are getting aware and reacting to certain issues. For example, there are the cold drink bottles in the picture, in the painting, and these cold drinks bottles are manufactured by some foreign companies, and due to social media and telephone technology, people are getting aware and boycotting certain items and using their own domestic items. This is due to the advancement of this cell phone technology. Even uneducated people are getting aware of certain issues, and this shows the influence of technology over the society. And this painting also shows the Islamic influence over the society. The dressing of the passengers shows that, and there is a banner, advertisement banner, which is advertising about the gathering to celebrate the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, peace be upon him, and that shows the Islamic influence over the people. The condition of the tangas shows the economic situation of the people, and trees are the greenery of my country, and this central tree is a bear tree. It is called in my local language. In English, it is called jojob, and it is native here, and people and birds consume its fruit, and it is also said to be present in the heaven according to the teachings of Islam. This is some of the stories behind this painting, and I am going to share the final stages of this painting, how I am painting and my technique. And I am not a full-time artist. I am a journalist too. I am affiliated with the media industry for past 15 years. I was editor, and I was also working as a photojournalist for 8 years, and after that I joined government organization, and I am affiliated with Ministry of Information, and I am working there as a resource person. In my professional life, I am a social media expert and providing media services. I am graphic designer, audio editor, video editor, English Urdu editing, translation and typing, and I am also a researcher, and I am also running my own services company. I am providing services in social media and media campaigns and event management and accommodation services. And I am also running some 8 YouTube channels, two of which are gardening channel. Gardening is my hobby. One is awareness channel of Margla Hills with the name of Margla Hills Lovers, and there is my company channel, and I am also running some 8 Facebook pages, and during my night times I am usually busy in painting and production, and those who are interested in my work, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, share my videos, and if you want to watch the videos of this painting, watch the playlist Tonga Stand in District Gujarat. I am uploading the videos there and sharing my works, and also going to introduce myself further and my work. So if you are interested, stay tuned. I will also upload a slow version of these videos. For more details, watch the coming videos. Enjoy the arts. For now, bye.